dude sitting coming back to you from Hatfield Knob. It's August 25th, I do believe. Seems like this year's just flying by, but come up here and we ain't seen no elk so far, but we've seen a few turkey there as I first showed you. But my main goal, and I've never been able to do it, is get a picture of a bull elk with velvet on. It may be today and it may not. It looks like it's going to pour the rain. They usually come out, but if I can get a shot and get a picture of one, that's going to be another story, but we'll give it a try. Like I said, it's always a peaceful place to come up here. It's always worth the walk, whether you see anything or not. It's just a good place to get away from everything. So we're going to sit back. It's 4:41. Be up here for a little while and see what happens. That's all we can do. They're here, we know that. Just that they're here in this field, that's another story. So, like I said, we'll sit tight for a while and see what goes on. Talk to y'all later. Don't think he's in velvet. But he's a big one.